This presentation is called Polygons, an extension work. So this work is something that you should have seen in primary, but we're going to review it right now if you did not have, for those that did not have primary and those that may just need a little review. So in the last presentation, we discovered that polygons are enclosed figures that have straight sides, no curved sides. They have straight sides. And polygons, like this one, which is a very strong polygon, this polygon is called a triangle because it has 3 sides. This polygon, we discovered last time, is called a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides. A quadrilateral is not as strong. Look at that. I can change its shape. A quadrilateral is not as strong as the triangle. I can hold the triangle from any side and it keeps its shape. I can't move it. Quadrilateral has 5 sides, and maybe in the last presentation you continued and you made you made polygons with 5 sides, 6 sides, 7 sides, 8 sides, 9 sides, 10, 11, 12 sides. You made lots and lots of polygons in the last presentation. Well, today, just as a review, we are going to look at these polygons and we're going to name them. So there are some special polygons in our world that have very specific names. And the polygons we're going to look at today all have equal sides, whereas this polygon did not have equal sides. It had different shaped sides, and we know that because of the colors of the box of sticks. Same as this one. This polygon, this triangle, does not have equal sides. But this triangle does. So this polygon we call an equilateral triangle because all sides are equal. This polygon is not only called a quadrilateral, but it has a special name. We call it a square. Okay. This polygon has a special name as well. Do you know the name of a 5-sided polygon that has equal sides? It's called a pentagon. And I don't have a label for that, so we're just gonna stick it right here. So pentagon is right here. A 6-sided polygon, right here, a 6-sided polygon is called a hexagon. A 7-sided polygon, there's that one, a 7-sided polygon is called a heptagon, heptagon. An 8-sided polygon, which we see all the time every day when we're out and about traveling, especially in the US, we see these signs. They look like this. They're usually bright red. You know what I'm talking about? They are shaped like an octagon is what their name is. Yes, if you thought of stop sign, you're correct. We see the octagon stop sign in lots of places when we're traveling. A 9-sided polygon is called a nonagon, and a 10-sided polygon is called a decagon. Now, with this work, there are so many different things you can do. You could make a pop-up book of these polygons, have it pop up and draw them and then stick them on the pop-up portion. You could make a play, a little skit with these polygons. You can make a finger puppet play and talk about their sides, something fun like that. Like, what could a triangle do that maybe a decagon couldn't do? You could come up with some sort of fun story with that. Also, there are so many things you could do with this, but basically, you need to know this information. You need to know that a 6-sided figure, enclosed figure, is called a hexagon, okay? Whatever you do, be creative and make sure that you know this information.